Symmetric encryption. Cryptography is the art and science of making data impossible to read. Cryptographic algorithms starts with plain readable data and scramble it so it becomes an unreadable ciphertext. Each encryption algorithm must also specify how the ciphertext can be decrypted back into the plain text it came from so that the intended recipient can read it. Encrypting the plain text to ciphertext will give high security to your confidential data, and only the authorized person who is supposed to read this document can read it. Encryption terms. Following are some of the important terms related with encryption. Before continuing, you should know what these terms are. Plain text. The information in its original form. This is also known as clear text. Ciphertext. The information after it has been obfuscated by the encryption algorithm. Encryption. The process of changing the plain text into ciphertext. Decryption. The process of changing the ciphertext into plain text. Encryption algorithm. An algorithm defines how data is transformed when original plain text data is scrambled to ciphertext. Both the data sender and the recipient must know the algorithm used for data transformation. The recipient should use the same algorithm to decrypt the ciphertext back into the original plain text data. Encryption key. A key is secret value which is used as an input to the algorithm along with the plain text data when plain text is converted to ciphertext. The same secret key should be used to decrypt the ciphertext back into plain text data. Cryptography. The art of concealing information using encryption. Cryptographer. An individual who practices cryptography. Cryptanalysis. The art of analyzing cryptographic algorithms for identifying the weaknesses. Cryptanalysts. An individual who uses cryptanalysis to identify the weaknesses in the cryptographic algorithms. Symmetric encryption. Symmetric encryption is the process of converting readable data, unreadable format and converting it back to readable format using same key. Symmetric encryption algorithm use the same key for encryption and decryption. The key must be exchanged so that both the data sender and the data recipient can access the plain text data. The plain text, that is the readable text, is converted to ciphertext, that is the unreadable text, using a key, and at the receiving side, the same key is used to convert back the ciphertext to a plain text.